Ethan's morning started like any other, except it was never just a morning routine for him. The alarm had to be set at exactly 6 a.m., not a minute before or after. His toothbrush strokes had to be precisely 20 on each side, and his shoelaces needed to be tied and untied 3 times before he could leave the house. To the outside world, Ethan was a disciplined, organized man. But inside, he was a prisoner to his thoughts. If he skipped a step, if something felt off, an unbearable sense of dread crept into his chest, whispering that something bad would happen. He knew it was irrational. He knew the world wouldn't collapse if he didn't check the stove 10 times before leaving. But his mind wouldn't let him believe it. Work was no different. His desk had to be arranged in a specific order, pens aligned, papers stacked with perfect edges. If someone moved something, even slightly, panic surged through him. Meetings were torture. What if he had left his apartment unlocked? What if he had forgotten to turn off the lights? His mind cycled through these thoughts, making it nearly impossible to focus. Friends had stopped inviting him out. They called him too rigid, too anxious. He wished he could explain that he wanted to be free of these rituals, but they were the only thing keeping the chaos at bay. One evening, after checking his apartment door for the 30th time, Ethan sat on the floor, exhausted. His mind raced, his hands trembled. This isn't normal. I can't live like this forever. The realization hit him like a wave. OCD wasn't just quirks or habits. It was fear, control, and exhaustion wrapped in an endless loop. He needed help. Therapy wasn't easy. The first time his therapist asked him to not check his locks, he nearly walked out. But slowly, with time, he learned that uncertainty wouldn't destroy him. He started small, leaving his desk slightly messy, skipping a step in his morning routine. The anxiety came, but it also passed. He wasn't cured overnight, but for the first time, he felt something he hadn't in years: hope. Moral: control doesn't bring peace, acceptance does. Healing begins when you stop letting fear dictate your life. Ethan learned that true peace wasn't in control, it was in letting go. This is his journey of struggle, resilience, and healing. If you resonate with Ethan's story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful narratives that inspire change.